also joined. Okay, so who is left? Who is left? Hmm.
Funny, I think.
Funny and Ishita. Yeah, Funny and Ishita. Two are left. Okay, okay. Yeah. So if they also join our screen will be like 3 into 3, 9. It will look beautiful.
Mhm.
Wow. Yes, so till then some more people are joining. How are you guys feeling? Give me one word in the chat. How has been your day today? How has been your day? Or you can write down, you can give me one word for the how's your current energy? How are you guys feeling right now? How is your dil? Yes. Amazing. Very nice. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on. Amazing. Good. Fantastic. Yes. Keep on writing. Keep on writing. Emotional and excited. So lots of love and hug to you, Shrestha. What happened? How is Dil? Emotional. Okay, sending you lots of love and hugs to you. Okay, yes. So can we start? Can we raise the energy of the room? Okay. So let me play the music and here we go. Yes. Because we cannot play the, dance and everything because otherwise I'll be getting the disclaimer. It happened 2 to 3 times with me. I played the song and I'm dancing and I got the like that recording didn't happen. Okay, guys. So would you please switch on your camera so that we can start the session? Somya, Akshata, Sucharita, Ashwini. Okay, so before we go ahead, let me ask you how many of you have seen the movie The Secret? That is also the movie of Rhonda Byrne. Yes. Yes, Kulvinder has
Well, half
seen.
of it, half of it.
Yeah, so you have already seen. I think when we were talking last, so you told me something about The Secret, right? Okay, so you have already
मैम वो
seen.
तो
What
बुक
about
पढ़ी थी ना.
you read the book? Yeah, Rhonda Byrne has written so many books. So her books are like The Secret, The Power, The Hero, The Magic. She has written so many books. If you want to read all of every book is amazing. I have also read all of the books. The Secret, The Power, The Hero, The Magic. All the books are awesome. Okay, yes, Somya, what about you, Akshita, Suchaita, Ashwini? You people didn't get the time? Didn't get the time to watch the movie? It's okay, fine. So still you have to like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, so when we will start day one. So after that you will not get the time. It might possible. Okay, so better you watch it in 2 or 3 days. Initial date. It is very important. You will understand the law of attraction. How does it work? So that is a documentary. You might feel bored as well, but it is very important. So you can play the, what do we call it? Oh, numbering. What do we call it?
Timeline.
Subtitles. English subtitles.
Subtitles.
Because it's
Subtitles.
in Hindi also you can watch it. In English also like you can watch it. You can on the subtitles, but it is very important to watch that movie before we start the book. Okay. Okay. So first, let me set the context of today. So what are we going to? Then we will start the book. Right. So first, we all want to be the successful. Okay, we all want to have success in our life. Okay, for that, what is the formula? Okay, so some of you were not there in inner awakening. So what is the formula? The formula is, please write down in your notebook, S plus S equal to S. What is the formula? S plus S equal to S. What is first S stands for? First S stands for student. Be the student of your life. Second S stands for surrender. And third S stands for success. If you want to be successful, because success has a blueprint. Success has a blueprint. So we will have to follow the blueprint of those people who are already successful. Because we also want to be successful. So we will have to follow the blueprint. Success has the blueprint. So what is the blueprint? First, you have to be the student. Okay? Be a lifelong learner. Whenever you get something to learn, so you have to learn it. Right? So we need to learn some. Why are we struggling in our relations? Because there are relationship lessons that we are not learning. So that's why we are struggling for our relationships. Okay. So why are we struggling to make money? Why are we struggling? Because we need to learn certain lesson related to money. That's why we are struggling to make money. Why are we struggling for making beautiful career? Because there are certain lessons that we need to learn. If we are not learning, we are not growing. So first we need to be the student. Okay, so then surrender. To whom we have to surrender? Surrender to the system, surrender to the mentors, surrender to the people who have already achieved it, surrender to the people who have already got success in their life, those who are already successful. Okay, so we have to follow. So to whom we have to go? To husband? No. To whom I have to go? To mother-in-law? To whom I have to go? Brother or parents? No. I have to go to those people who are already very successful. Okay, so success has a blueprint. So if we also want to be the successful person, okay, so we will have to follow the blueprint. So S plus S equal to S. S for student, be the student. Then we need to surrender to the system, to the mentors, to the magic book, and to the Rhonda Byrne, okay, to whom we are learning. Because I haven't created this system. Who has created this system? Rhonda Byrne has created. Right? So we have to follow the path. Those people who are already successful, right? And then we will also be successful. So who we are human beings. See, there are three things. When I was teaching spoken English, okay, when I was master spoken English trainer, some of you already know that. Okay, so I always used to teach three verbs. Please write it down in your notebook. Be, have, and do. In any order, like you can write. Do, be, have, be, do. So in any order. Okay, start with have. Okay, have. Then do, and then be. So this is the order of a ordinary person. This is the order of a, so please write it now. Start with have, then give it a arrow, then write do. Then give it a arrow, then write be. Start with have, then do, then be. You will better understand. So this is the order that ordinary people follow. So what is have? So ordinary people say, if I will have something, then I will do something. Then I will be something in my life. Okay, so I'll make you understand with lots of example. So let's say there is a person, he has to go to market. Okay, and market is very far away. And that person says, if I have a car, okay, if I have, so I'm starting with have. I'm talking about ordinary person. Ordinary person will say, if I have a car, then I'll go to market, then I'll be happy. Are you guys getting? Have, I'll have car, then I will do. Do means acting, act. So that person will go to market. Go is what? Doing. What he will do? He will act. He will go. Okay. So then he will be. Be means become. What he will become? He will be happy. He will be satisfied. Right? And another example. So you can also give any example because we all are like ordinary people. Ordinary people, how do we do? Once I will have this, then I will do this, then I will be happy. Okay? So I say, if I will have a beautiful house, then I will start living in it, and then I will be more successful and I will be grateful. I'll be grateful. So have, what is have? House. Then I will start living, that is do. Acting. What act I will do, what I will do, what will be the doing? I will be living in, I will start living in that house. Okay. So then what will I be? I will be more satisfied. I will be more happy. I will be more grateful. So this is what ordinary people do. So first they have, then they do, and then they be. And now we have to reverse it. What extraordinary people do? Extraordinary people first they become. And the universe also says the same thing. Universe says, first you be, you show me that yes, you have become. First you be happy. First you be happy, then you do, and then you will have, then I will give you. So that is the formula. This is very important. And everybody present here needs to understand this formula. If you get it right, you get your life right. And this is going to be the game changer for some of you. So first we have to be happy, first we have to be grateful, first we have to be confident. First we have to be, then we have to do, then we have to act. And then we will have, then universe will give us. We all are human beings. Why human ke baad beings? Why we don't say like that, human doing, human having? Do we say like that? No. Human being, living being, physical being. Why be? Be comes first. So first we have to be something. Then you will have something. I'm not saying, Rhonda Byrne is saying, because that is the system. Universe is saying that is the system. And we have to follow the system because we want to be the successful. And we have to follow the system. Follow the blueprint. Okay, so first we have to be. This is what extraordinary people do. So first we have to believe. No logical mind. अभी लॉजिकल माइंड को थोड़ी देर साइड में रखो. Okay, go to the kitchen, bring a lid and keep it on the logical mind and give it a tight stare. You leave it there. You have to stay there. Okay, let me work. Because without it, it is not going to happen. First, we have to park your logical mind somewhere. You have to believe in magic. No logic. So that's why I have given it a name. No logic. अभी 1 महीने के लिए लॉजिक को पूरा पाक करके रख दो. बट ऐसा नहीं होता ना, वैसा नहीं होता ना, बट दिस बट दैट. नो लॉजिक. उसको पूरा अच्छे से बिलीव इन द सिस्टम. ट्रस्ट. राइट इन द चैट. ट्रस्ट. राइट इन द चैट एवरीवन. ट्रस्ट. Faith. You have to have faith. You have to trust the system.
मैम जैसे ही ट्रस्ट करते हैं वैसे ही फेल हो जाते हैं. जब ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं तो पास हो जाते हैं.
ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं तो हाउ?
जैसे मैम एग्जांपल,
टू whom do you want to
हमें
trust?
पता है.
To whom? किसके ट्रस्ट के
मैम
लिए? What are you talking about? किसको ट्रस्ट?
trust is about any process. If I'm giving an exam, if I'm indulging somewhere or giving in any kind of interview, whenever I have that trust, I will do it. And if I'm helping other person, he will do it. But I would not do it at that time. I wouldn't be able at the time do it. I can say that. But whenever the process come to like, and I have taken the things like, अरे हो जाएगा, होता ही रहता है. Then it will be like, हाँ हो गया.
Okay. The answer for this is you do not get what you want. You get who you are. You do not get what you want. आपको एग्जाम पास करना है, that you want, but who you are. Do you have fear inside you? Do you have doubt inside you? Do you have confusion inside you? Do you have faith inside you? Do you have trust on yourself? Do you believe in yourself that yes, I can do it? Because you will not be getting what you want. You want to pass the exam.
Whenever I have trusted
but what is there
myself,
inside you? Who you are when nobody is watching? So let's say you are alone on this planet Earth. So who you are with you? Will you be buying like expensive dresses or purses? Because nobody is there to see. Because we are living for others. We are not living for our own self. We are living to make people happy, to show off. Ego mind. So see for yourself who you are with your own self. Because from where all these things are coming? Inside. So we need to work on inside. Your inner world will create your outer world. Your inner world is creating your outer world. The kind of people you have in your life, the kind of things you have in your life, the kind of situations you have in your life. That is because of you. First, you have to start taking 100% responsibility of your actions, your emotions, your feelings, or your outcomes. But what do we do instead? We keep on blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging.
No, ma'am, I'm not like that. So, ma'am, the basic question is, we have to trust the process or we have to just tolerate it or just do the things like that?
No, trust the process. 100% trust the process. That is the first thing. Surrender to the system. What is the surrender? Universe never supports you at the depth of your struggle. When you are struggling a lot, universe is not going to help you. Universe doesn't support you at the depth of your struggle. Universe supports you at the depth of your surrender. If you want to make a note of it, make a note of it. Universe doesn't support you at the depth of your struggle. Universe supports you at the depth of your surrender. When you surrender, then only universe is going to help you. Universe will see the depth of your surrender. Then it is going to help you. Right? So let me, like, that's why we are human beings. Now, we are not born as a lizard. We are not born as a cockroach. Cockroach cannot say, I want to travel abroad. I want to go Europe. Lizard cannot say, like, I want to be the coach. I want to make 5 lakh rupees per month. Lizard cannot say. We are fully grown adult. So who we are, check every single day what I am feeling, what I am thinking, who I am. See, this I have always seen. If you are a good human being, universe is always going to support you wherever you are, whatever you are doing. किसी भी सिचुएशन में, कंडीशन में हो आप, universe is not going to leave you if you are a good human being. So check for yourself, who are you? क्या आपके अंदर चल रहा है? Because your beliefs will create the feelings in your heart. Your feelings will create your actions, and your actions will create your results. And the kind of results you see in your life will create a new belief system. So that is the formula. Please write it down. BEAR. So we will discuss everything slowly, gradually. The way we will go ahead, that is called LOMA, Law of Massive Action. That is BEAR. Belief, emotions, actions, and results. BEAR. LOMA, Law of Massive Action. Okay, so now those who have the books, so they have to open their book, and those who don't have, so let me open the book, but I want a reader. So who can read for me? Who can
Ma'am,
read?
I can read, but before that, I really want to share something.
Hmm.
When we get motivated, ma'am, so we
Hmm.
start believing the process. We start actually following the mentors or the person who can really who really motivate us, like you.
Hmm.
But after some time, when the things actually don't work,
Hmm.
somehow inside our soul, we feel bad. We know
Hmm.
very well that
Hmm.
it will not work actually. We
Hmm.
have to believe in ourselves. Sometimes it happens, but when again and again things actually don't work as per our own desire, some somewhere inside us we feel actually bad, which is not in our control, ma'am. So I know that you
Yes.
have already given the answer, but I really want to relieve myself by sharing this to all of you, that this
Hmm.
happens. I think it happens to all of us, I feel.
Hmm.
Yes, still we have to
Yeah,
surrender. Still,
understood. Understood. See, there are two things. There are things in our control. There are things
hmm,
not in our control. Okay, so what is
right.
not in our control? Tsunami. Is it in your control? No. Flood. Is it in your control? No. कहीं सूखा पड़ गया, drought. Is it in your control? No. The things which are not in our control, we cannot do anything for that. Okay? कोई
Hmm.
कोई इंसान कैसा भी है, आपके हस्बैंड कैसे हैं, आपके इन लॉज कैसे हैं, आपके बॉस कैसे हैं, आपके कलीग्स कैसे हैं, इज इट इन योर कंट्रोल? नो, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल. सो व्हाट इज इन योर कंट्रोल? Blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging, that is in your control. If something is happening, if something is happening the way you want it to be, that is God's blessing. If something is not happening as per you want it, so that is God's preparation. You just have to do, like, what is your karma? What is your karma? आप अपना कर्म करते जाओ. If not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, you will get the result. You will get the result. If something is happening, God's blessing. If something is not happening, God's preparation. That means something bigger, better, beautiful is coming on your way.
This
अभी वो
quotation I have
प्रिपरेशन
said
ले
in
रही है,
my
बहुत
session.
अच्छा कुछ होने वाला है. ट्रस्ट, फेथ,
Right.
राइट. I hope I was able to give your answer. So
Yeah,
things in
ma'am.
control,
Even
things not in control.
I have used these guys kind of quotations in my session in the morning. But
Hmm.
still, when actually things don't work as per our desire, वो somehow inside कहीं ना कहीं पे वो थोड़ा सा hurt
So
होता है.
उसको बोलो inside. Make it the affirmation for the day. I am the universe
Right.
favorite child. I am universe favorite child. Something bigger, better is coming on my way, on our way. Okay, so आपने
Right.
अपना काम कर दिया. So what is in your control? You affirm it on daily basis. I am universe favorite child. I am universe favorite child. Wherever I go. I teach it to my kids as well. मैं अपने बेटे को बोलती हूँ, देव आप ऐसे मतलब डेली आप बोला करो, बेटी को भी, डॉटर को भी अपनी, ताने आप ऐसे बोला करो, यू आर यूनिवर्स फेवरेट चाइल्ड, यू आर द चोजन वन. और वो ऐसा ऐसा फील होता है ना, उसके मतलब आंखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं बिल्कुल. So this is really magical, guys. Magically, मतलब some magical like something is happening. You know वो कहाँ होता है? वो that is in quantum world. That is in invisible realm. So there are total 7 realms. So if I will go to into it ना, so there is a lot of depth in that. वो बहुत depth है. तो अभी उसको क्या बोलेंगे, जैसे invisible world बोलो या उसको quantum world बोलो, invisible realm बोलो, जहाँ पे वो 7 जो रियल्म होते हैं, वो डेथ के बाद जो हम लोग जो वहां पे जाते हैं, अभी उसको बोलेंगे हेल और हेवन. ओके, जो लोअर रियल्म होते हैं 3 4, वो होते हैं वो हेल के, और जो ऊपर वाले होते हैं वो हेवन के होते हैं. ओके, सो लाइक वो आप छोड़ दो गॉड के ऊपर. जो टॉप मोस्ट होता है दैट इज नियरेस्ट टू द गॉड, नियरेस्ट टू द गॉड, एंड वेयर एवरीबडी वांट्स टू रीच, जहां पे सबको मतलब एवरीबडी वांट्स टू गो देयर. दैट इज आवर ट्रूएस्ट सेल्फ, ट्रूएस्ट, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो एनर्जी, गॉड इज ऑल्सो एनर्जी.
Right.
Right, you just do your work, keep the work. Keep your head down and do the damn work, because the work always works. Make it a mantra. Keep your head down and do the damn work, because the work always works. Okay. And this, तो I have also made the principle of my life. Poonam, whenever जब भी मुझे लगता है ना problem है, I'm stuck somewhere, so Poonam, keep your head down, do the damn work. The work always works. वो करता है काम. Okay, guys, so let me share my screen. So first, I'll read out the contents. Okay, so how many chapters are there? How we will go ahead. So then, Kulvinder, I want you to read out. Okay. So first, let me read out. So how we will start? So today we will cover: Do you believe in magic? Okay, so do you believe in magic? And the next thing also, a great mystery is revealed. So these 2 things we are going to cover today. And tomorrow we will cover bring the magic into your life. Bring the magic into your life. A magical book, because this is the magic book is a magical book. So I'm not teaching you any kind of magic, वो आबरा का डाबरा, वो कैप में से कोई खरगोश निकलने वाला और कबूतर. This is not going to happen. So I'll be teaching you only gratitude, how you have to do gratitude on daily basis. First chapter is going to be count your blessings. So once we start day 1, count your blessing. So after that daily, so you have to sit with me and daily you have to start writing gratitude. Daily 10 gratitude we are going to write. Okay, I'll play one music and you have to sit with me for 10 minutes and you have to do the damn work. Right? And day 2 is the magic rock. Third is magical relationship, how you can make your relationships magical. So how you have to be grateful for your relationships. Magical health, how you can achieve magical health, how you can achieve magical money. Works like magic, like at your workplace, how you can create magic at your workplace, कि वो सब आपके आगे पीछे घूमे kind of. The magical way out of negativity. The magic ingredient. What is that magic ingredient? The money magnet, how you can be money magnet. Magic dust everywhere, a magical morning, magical people who made a difference. Make all your wishes come true. Have a magical day. Magically heal your relationships. Magic and miracles in health, how you can improve your health. The magic check, the magical to-do list, magic footsteps, heart magic, magnificent outcome before your very eyes. Magic is happening everywhere, all around you, but we are not able to see. Why? Because we are human beings, physical beings, living beings. Okay, but it is happening. So after reading this chapter, you will also be able to see the magic. How does it happen? How does universe talk to us? So it has its own way to talk to human beings. The magic wand, cue the magic. So you will be able to cue the magic. Universe is giving you the clue. How universe is giving you the clue? So you have to identify. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. The magical mirror. Remember the magic. So you don't have to forget the magic. You have to remember the magic. Like Funny was saying, ma'am, when we were doing the magic book, I was able to create the magic. And when I am not reading, I'm not doing any practices, so where is the magic? So we have to keep doing. Your magical future. The magic never ends. About Rhonda Byrne and excerpt from the secret, excerpts from the power. So there are something from the secret book and power book as well. So now here we go. So are you excited? Can we start? Can we start? Okay, so now
Yes,
look at this
ma'am.
beautiful picture. Do you believe in magic? Okay, so first let me ask you. So do you believe in magic? So how many of you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? Or do you have very logical mind? कि नहीं मेरा तो मतलब नहीं होता कि ऐसे कैसे हो गया वैसे कैसे हो गया आई गिव अ लॉट ऑफ लॉजिक कि नहीं ये बिना लॉजिक के तो नहीं होगा so you have to park your logical mind for 1 month. Okay, so believe in magic. Magic happens. Magic is happening in the invisible world. Somewhere it is happening. Okay, so like the way we have three things: mind, body, and soul. Okay, so mind is invisible. Can we see mind? No. Can we see soul? Soul is also invisible. But soul is there, na? Soul is there. Mind is there. Like abhi phone mein internet, air. Air is there. Can we see the air? No. जब वो पत्ते हिलते हैं ट्री वैसे इधर इधर हिल रहा है देन वी लाइक फील यस एयर इज देयर सो इंटरनेट इज देयर बट वो इंटरनेट कहीं दिखाई दे रहा है क्या नो बट इट डजंट मीन कि इंटरनेट इज नॉट देयर इंटरनेट इज देयर राइट सो सिमिलरली माइंड इज देयर सोल इज देयर मैजिक इज हैपनिंग इन द इनविजिबल रियल हु इज डूइंग यूनिवर्स इज डूइंग गॉड इज डूइंग द हाइएस्ट पावर. Okay, so first we have to believe in magic. Otherwise, we will never be able to see the magic. So that is the very first step that we have to believe in magic. So now what do you see on my screen? So there is this beautiful picture. So let me increase the size if I can show you. See. Is it visible? So it's a kind of magic is happening. So it's a kind of tunnel. It's a kind of way. Okay, so some road is there. Okay, empty road, nobody's there on the road, but some magic is happening on the both side of this road. There are so many trees and some magic is happening, some sprinkle. So what is that sprinkle? That is magic is happening, right? So see, do you want to enter in this magical world? So this is a magical world and this is the door, and now we have started today now we are going to start and we have to enter in this door. This is called magical door, right? और इसके दूसरी तरफ there is this beautiful world. Now those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Guys, mind it. Make sure you believe in magic. If you don't believe in magic, you will never find it. So that is the first thing. First, you have to start believing it. Because what you believe, you achieve. What you think about, you bring about. जो आप सोचोगे वही आपको दिखाई देगा. जो आप बिलीव करोगे वही आप अचीव करोगे. इफ यू डोंट बिलीव इट यू विल नॉट अचीव इट. आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा मैजिक. So for that, first you will have to believe it. Yeah, Kulvinder. So first I want you to start from here. So remember. Yes, please
Okay,
go ahead.
thank you. Remember when you were a child and you looked at life in total wonder and awe. Life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you. You were fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground.
Yeah, thank
You
you.
were full.
Wait, one paragraph. Okay,
Okay.
so see, remember when you were a child. Do you remember when we were a child? When we were a child, everything was very magical for us. We were like a clean slate. Everything around us. We were so full of laughter, full of magic. Everything for us was magic only. हर चीज में हमें मैजिक दिखाई देता था. ऐसे वी यूज टू प्ले अ लॉट मेनी गेम्स. चिड़िया और कौवा और घर उड़, डॉग
Hmm.
उड़, सबको उड़ा देते थे हम लोग. वी यूज टू प्ले अ लॉट मेनी गेम्स. हर चीज हमें ऐसे लगती थी कि लाइक वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल, ऑसम, सुपर. वी वर लाइक, वी ऑल वर born like a clean slate. We
Hmm.
all were full of wonder. कोई भी चीज देखते थे. यू मस्ट हैव सीन स्मॉल किड्स. वो ऐसे बस के ऐसे पकड़ेंगे, हा 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 हा. मम्मा ने मारा एक थप्पड़ 2 मिनट में, मम्मा 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 करते थे. वी वर सो
True.
इनोसेंट, वी वर सो प्योर, एंड वी वर क्लोजेस्ट टू आवर ट्रूएस्ट सेल्फ. बच्चे थे तो
Hmm.
बिना मतलब के हंसने लग जाते, बिना बिना मतलब के रोने लग जाते. आवर लाइफ वॉज फुल ऑफ मैजिक. वो कहाँ चला
Hmm.
गया वो मैजिक? वो तब ट्रू था जब हम छोटे थे, अब हम बड़े हो गए तो वो गुम हो गया. बट द मैजिक इज ऑलवेज देयर ना. इट वॉज ऑलवेज देयर. इट इज वी पीपल, वी हैव फॉरगॉटन दैट मैजिक. हम लोगों को भूल गया, बट इट डजेंट मीन कि वो नहीं था या नहीं है. इट वॉज ऑलवेज वर्किंग. इट इज वर्किंग राइट नाउ एज वेल. राइट? सो अगेन वी हैव टू बी लाइक अ चाइल्ड. सो लाफिंग इज नॉर्मल. नॉट लाफिंग इज नॉट नॉर्मल. इफ somebody is laughing, you say पागल हो गए. या दैट इज नॉर्मल. बच्चे हंसते तो कहते थे दैट इज नॉर्मल. इफ वी आर लाफिंग, दैट इज नॉट नॉर्मल. दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉर्मल. नॉट लाफिंग इज नॉट नॉर्मल. लाफिंग इज नॉर्मल. राइट? ओके. यस, नेक्स्ट. So see, life was magical, life was exciting, smallest thing were utterly thrilling to you. Everything was fascinated. Frost on the grass, butterfly flittering. Butterfly के पीछे भागते थे. घास पर कुछ देख लिया, ग्राउंड पर देख लिया, कुछ लीफ देख लिया. Yes, Kulvinder,
Right.
go ahead.
Okay. You were full of excitement when you lost a tooth because it meant the tooth fairy would be coming that night, and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas. Even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night, somehow he did it and he never let you down.
Yes, see, see, do you remember those days when we used to say, and our parents used to say, Santa Claus will come at night. You sleep, Santa Claus will come at night, and under your pillow or in the socks, he will be giving you some kind of gift. But we never thought that how Santa Claus can come to each and every house, can bring gift for each and every person, how one person can go to lakhs and lakhs of people. कैसे वो सब बच्चों के पास पहुंच सकता है सेंटा क्लॉज? वी नेवर थॉट, बिकॉज वी बिलीव्ड इन मैजिक. We always used to believe in magic. We always used to believe in our parents, whatever they used to say. Yeah, somebody will be coming at night when we will be sleeping, and that person will be giving us the gift. And we believed that. We were so innocent, so pure. We were full of excitement. Right? Yes, dear, go ahead.
Reindeer could fly. There were fairies in the garden. Pets were like people. Toys had personalities. Dreams came true. And you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy. Your imagination knew no limits. And you believed that life was magical.
See, reindeer could fly. So I told you na, तोता और मैना और kind of like we used to play. वो reindeer को भी उड़ा देते थे. Reindeer उड़. There were fairies in the garden. Pets were like the people. कैसे गुड्डे गुड़ियों की शादी कराते थे. Do you remember? वो बार्बिस
Yes,
की
ma'am.
शादी कराते थे, गुड्डे गुड़ियों की शादी. Toys were like real for us. ड्रीम्स कुड बी ट्रू फॉर अस. जो रात को होता है वो दिन में होता है. मतलब सपने भी सच हुआ करते थे हमारे लिए. स्टार्स को टच करते थे. कब करते थे? डू यू रिमेम्बर दोज डेज व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू स्लीप एट द रूफ
Outside.
टॉप? वो गद्दे
Hmm.
बिछा के और वो पानी डाल के गद्दों पे और थोड़ा थोड़ा जैसे उसको ठंडा करके, और वो वी यूज टू लुक एट द स्टार्स एंड वी यूज टू काउंट 1 2 3 4 काइंड ऑफ. So now, like those days are like, truly, those days were like truly magical. I still remember those days. They were full of joy. Your imagination, there was no limit of your imagination. You believed that everything, your life was magical, right? Yes, dear, go ahead.
There is an exquisite feeling many of us had as children, that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, and that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned, and the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why, as adults, we love to be around children so that we can experience that feeling we once had, even if it's just for a moment.
Yes. See, as a children, we had a lot of feelings, different feeling. Everything was good. Excitement, adventure. But what happened? That nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic. जो भी magic था, कोई भी हमारे joy को वो खराब नहीं कर सकता था. Okay, thwart means खराब करना. But somehow, as we are growing now, as we are growing right now, we are full of responsibility. There are so many problems, difficulties. So now, where is this magic? Where is this? So that's why we love to go to the children as an adult. So now we love to go to children because they people are pure, they people are innocent. We love to laugh with them, we love to play with them. So why? Because they are pure. Our soul wants that. सोल को अच्छा लगता है वो सब. क्योंकि बॉडी के लिए वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट मेनी थिंग्स. उसको खाना दे रहे हैं, वाटर दे रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग वी आर डूइंग फॉर द बॉडी. बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग फॉर आवर सोल? सोल को क्या चाहिए? सोल को ये चाहिए. नाउ टुडे योर सोल वुड बी सो हैप्पी. वो ये है सोल की खुराक. लर्निंग, ग्रोइंग, लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. आज आपकी सोल को भी कुछ सेटिस्फेक्शन मिला होगा. योर सोल ऑल्सो वुड बी सो हैप्पी टुडे. She also, like your soul also would be experiencing joy and laughter and purity once again. See. Okay. So now, yes, dear.
I'm here to tell you that the magic you once believed in is true. And it's the disillusioned adult perspective of life that is false. The magic of life is real and it's as real as you are. In fact, life can be far more wondrous than you ever thought it was as a child and more breathtaking, inspiring, awe-inspiring, and exciting than anything you have seen before. When you know that to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life.
Yes. So see, so this is easy. Everybody can understand. Okay. So again, we want to feel that feeling, the way we used to feel in our childhood. Okay. The way we used to live in our dream, the way we used to live the life of wonder. Okay. So again, we want to live. So that because we know that now our soul wants that. Our soul wants to be happy to that purity. Okay. So that's why we are learning all those things. That's why we want to create that magic again, once again in our life. Yes.
You may not see reindeer fly, but you will see the things you have always wanted appearing before your eyes, and you will see the things you have dreamed of for so long suddenly happening. You will never know exactly how everything waved together for your dream to come true. Because magic works in the invisible realm, and that's the most thrilling part.
Yeah. So as I told you, there are total 7 realm. Where is that realm when we die? So everybody, we all will have to go to that invisible realm. So there are 7. So जो नीचे के जो 3-4 हैं, we call it hell, and जो ऊपर के 3-4 हैं, we call it heaven. And the topmost, the 7th realm is nearest to God, the highest power, the highest power. Okay, so when we reach there, so we feel if we are not a, so that's why I told you, like we all have to be the good human being. Why I'm saying again and again, we have to be good who we are with our own self. So that after our that, like we all can go to that, we all can reach to that 7th realm, which is closest to God. Okay, so there is this book I am reading nowadays. The Law of Spirit. In that book, The Law of Spirit, all the seven realms are in detail. So how does it look like? Invisible realm. जो उसके जो सातों है ना, वो पूरे, जो फर्स्ट में क्या होता है, सेकंड में क्या होता है, थर्ड में क्या होता है, फोर्थ में क्या होता है, everything is in detail. I have read this book, so that's why I am giving you an idea what happens. What happens? So how do I know? So otherwise you will be feeling na, how does ma'am can be so sure कि मरने के बाद वो पूरे seven realms? So I'm not saying that is also, I'm like reading a book, so that's why I'm able to tell you. Okay. And that is the most thrilling part. Thrilling part, invisible realm में कैसे everything is happening and who all are there, what is happening, everything is so thrilling. Yes, go ahead.
Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic.
Yes, get
Our
ready for the
adventure
magic.
our adventure begins 2000 years ago when life-changing knowledge was hidden within a sacred text.
Sacred text. You know, when did it come? It came 2000 years ago. It's not like it was not there. It was there before 2000 years as well, and it was there after 2000 years as well. Okay, so our adventure begins 2000 years ago when life changing knowledge was hidden. Why it was hidden? Within a sacred text. Why it was hidden? Can anybody tell me why it was hidden? क्यों इसको छुपा दिया गया था इस knowledge को? Why?
If
Any idea?
everyone would not get success.
Yes, yes. And by whom it was hidden? किसने? जो बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा, जो बड़े लोग, जो बहुत rich थे, they people didn't want that we common people should know and we should also be like very successful like them. So they didn't know to reach this knowledge to every ordinary person. So that otherwise they will also start doing what they were doing. So we will also be like them. We will also be so rich. We will also be so rich. So that's why they hide का क्या होता है? They hid that knowledge. Okay, so sometimes ना ग्रामर और वो अभी भी वो बीच बीच में कभी कभी आ जाता है.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so let me share again. Yes. Sacred text. तो उसमें उसको छुपा दिया गया था. So now a great mystery is revealed. So now in front of you, I'm going to reveal that mystery. See. So this is the book. This is the sacred text in which it was hidden. Okay, so this is the cover page of this book as well. So this is the colored page. So, but the same image is there. Same image. One person is holding the, and on this book, the like magic is happening. Okay,
That
so you
means the
can see
same
the
book was
sparkle.
buried by someone somewhere, you mean to say?
I don't know, but that I'm not sure कि वो जो same चीज थी, but yeah, जो उसका जो gist है ना, that would be same, maybe. कि what is the main gist of this book is like we have to be grateful. That is the
Hmm.
only this one thing that we have to be grateful because they people were very grateful, so that's why they were so rich. And they didn't want that anybody should know that if they will also start being grateful, so they will also become rich. Or
Okay.
maybe a few concept of law of attraction, because what is law of attraction, that also this book will be teaching you. The law of attraction, so I have learned in depth, but yeah, few concepts this book also will be teaching you, and you will get to know in 2-3 days only. Okay. Yes, but that I don't know कि this was the book, the sacred book that we are talking, that these people are talking about, that I'm not sure. Okay.
Mhm.
But this gratitude part, that I'm sure that was the thing. Yes, go ahead.
The following passage comes from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, and it was mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by many people over the centuries.
Yeah, read this
Whoever
again.
has will be given more, and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken from him.
Yes, this is beautiful. Now this is the whole book. These two lines, this is the whole book. If you get that, you get your life right. See, Shrestha. Yes, look at this. This is amazing. See, this following passage comes from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures. So this was mystified. इसको रहस्यमय तरीके से छुपा दिया गया, कंफ्यूज कर दिया गया, लोगों को कंफ्यूजन में डाल दिया कि व्हाट इज दैट, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. So it was misunderstood. It was confused by many of the centuries. So what is that? This is whoever has will be given more and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from him. So what do you understand by this? जिसके पास है उसको तो भर भर के मिलेगा, और जिसके पास नहीं है उसके पास जो है वो भी उससे ले लिया जाएगा. What do you understand by this? So isn't it unjust, right? कि जिसको है, जिसके पास पहले से है उसको तो और भी मिलेगा, और जिसके पास पहले से ही कुछ नहीं है उसके पास जो बेचारा बचा कुचा है वो भी उससे छीन लिया जाएगा, right? So isn't it unjust? So this is a riddle.
Depends.
This was the riddle that was hidden in that sacred text, and nobody got the answer of this riddle. And very like a few thousand years after, like some people got to know the answer. Researches were happening. What is this? What is this trying to say? What is this trying to say? What is this riddle? What could be the answer of this riddle? कि जिसके पास है उसको और भी मिलेगा. But people were misunderstood. People were confused. People were mystified. Yes, go ahead.
So that's the reason, ma'am, till now our parents or our society has given this idea to us.
Yes, they
Yes.
themselves are victims of 50. They also didn't know about all those things. Like I knew this. Now I can let the same thing know my parents, because they
Right.
themselves, because they also didn't know. So from where all these things are coming? Why they were, I also belong to very like, lower middle class family before my marriage. And you can say, when I was 13 years old, my father passed away, and I have seen my parents struggling a lot. कि क्या क्या से मतलब उन्होंने struggle किया. I still remember few of the things when I was doing all these practices. ना I could still like remember all those things what I had in my house, because I belong to like lower middle class family. एक टूटी सी खाट होती थी जिसकी 3 लेग थी, चौथी लेग भी नहीं थी, उसके नीचे ना हम ईंटें लगाते थे. बेड वेड घर वर कुछ भी नहीं था, शुरू से रेंटेड हाउस में रहे, मम्मी पापा वगैरह मतलब सब लोग. So like I had seen the struggle, and their parents also, they were also like so poor, and their parents also. So it was like coming from generational. It is generational. But now I took the responsibility. I'm taking the responsibility of my actions, my emotions. Okay, so if I would will say, okay, so you also you have to do whatever you have to do. I'll also be like victim of victims, but I took the charge. My husband took the charge. No, I have to change my life. I have to change my life. What they could not do. So they were also victims of victim. I don't have to be the. It ends with us. It ends with us. So then I don't know, from the God's grace, this knowledge came to, and I bought a house in Gurgaon. जो मैंने वो 1 का लिया वो एकदम से वो 3 का हो गया, मतलब उसमें वो इतना बेनिफिट हुआ. तो वो यूनिवर्स का ही कुछ हुआ ना. आई स्टार्टेड बीइंग ग्रेटफुल. वो इतना पावर है उसमें. And people are struggling and struggling and struggling and struggling and struggling a lot. और ये ऐसा कुछ लक नहीं है, लक वो कुछ नहीं होता. वो लक भी तभी होता है when you do something, when you surrender. I didn't have to live in that rented house कि नहीं यार बहुत हो गया, God, now I surrender. So maybe he had seen the depth of my surrender. So that's why all these things like happened. Right? So I told you, universe supports you at the depth of your surrender. So then वो कहीं से भी, वो जैसे शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग, then it will happen. Universe will conspire to make it happen for you. कहीं से भी. Because whatever belongs to you will always come to you. वो कहाँ से वो ऐसे घूम घूम के आएगा, घूम के, nothing you will be missing in your life. Whatever belongs to you. You just have to have that faith, trust, and surrender. Okay, so yes.
Shall I read, ma'am? Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, please start.
Okay. You have to admit that when you read the passage, it appears unjust, as it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there is a riddle to be solved in the passage, a mystery to uncover. And when you know it, a new world will have opened up for you.
Yes, so I told you, so poor, this seems to be unjust कि जो है उसको ज्यादा मिलेगा, जो नहीं है जो है उनके पास वो भी ले ले. That is unjust. But that is the riddle.
Hmm.
Yes.
The answer to the mystery that has eluded so many for centuries is in one hidden word, gratitude.
Yes. And that is gratitude. Now you have to fill this word in that riddle and you will get your answer.
Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
See, now you got your answer. The answer to that riddle, the answer to that mystery that has eluded, आपको धोखे में रखा गया from so many centuries, is it in the this hidden word only, and that is gratitude. Whoever has gratitude will be given more. He or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from him or her. The person who is not grateful, तो जो उसके पास है वो भी उससे ले लिया जाएगा if you are not grateful. Because a heart of gratitude is a magnet of miracles. You will attract miracles in your life. Because what is law of attraction? Law of attraction says like attracts like. You will become the magnet. So how you will become the magnet? Like attract like. If you are thinking negative, you will get negativity around you. If you think positive, you will attract positive people, positive situation, positive things around you. Does it happen जैसे हमारा कभी डे स्टार्ट हुआ एक नेगेटिव थॉट आई, एवरीथिंग विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग नेगेटिव अराउंड यू. अब ये गलत हो गया, फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑल्सो कुछ और गलत हो जाएगा, कुछ कुछ लेट हो जाएगा, आप स्कूल लेट पहुंचाओगे, आपकी बारिश हो जाएगी, वो आपका बैग छूट जाएगा, आपका कुछ गुम हो जाएगा. वन आफ्टर अनदर, वन आफ्टर अनदर. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सो हु इज डूइंग दैट? You are doing that. A human being, a human being thinks 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts in a single day. And most of the thoughts are negative and most of the thoughts are repetitive. Whatever you were thinking yesterday, you are thinking the same thing today and you will be thinking the same thing tomorrow as well. So nothing changes if nothing changes. क्या चेंज हुआ? कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. So that is a cautious effort. That is deliberate effort. Intention, you will have to put that intention. So no, it ends with me. It ends with us. Now I have to change my life. I take the 100% responsibility. I don't have to stop blaming, complaining, criticizing. I told you, how did I change my relationship? By writing only, by journaling only. I didn't go to the people with whom I had to make my relationship beautiful. मैं उनके पास कुछ नहीं गई. I was working here, sitting with my pen and paper. I was just saying gratitude. I don't know whether you are aware of, there is that prayer, Ho'oponopono as well. I'm sorry, please
Right.
forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So that is also magical. That also works magically. Okay, so now the riddle of the answer of this riddle is gratitude. Gratitude is very important. The more you will be grateful, the more you will see the magic around you in form of people, situation. कैसे लोग आपकी लाइफ में आते जाएंगे, कैसे आपके रास्ते खुलते जाएंगे, और आपको लगेगा यार ये तो लक लक हो गया. अब लोगों को तो यही लगता है ना कि लक हो गया यार, वो आप तुम्हारी तो लॉटरी लग गई या वो लक हो गया, बट दैट वाज नॉट. समथिंग वाज हैपनिंग behind the scene, right? Okay, yes, start from here. Bye.
By the revelation of one hidden word, a cryptic text is made crystal clear. 2000 years have passed since those words were recorded, but they are as true today as they were ever were. If you don't take the time to be grateful, you will never have more. And what you do have, you will lose. And the promise of the magic that will happen with gratitude is in these words. If you are grateful, you will be given more and you will have an abundance.
Yes. So if you are grateful, you will be given more. आपको भर भर के दिया जाएगा and you will have an abundance. So those people who are still have that logical mind, so please park it. Please park it. That is true. That is true. If you are grateful for what you have, you will be given more and more. But if you are not grateful for what you have, the whatever you have, that also will be taken away. Okay. So why rich people are becoming rich and poor people are becoming more poor? Why? What's the reason? If so, let's say there are two people. एक अंबानी है, okay, और एक कोई गरीब आदमी है, okay. So if I give 1 lakh rupees to Ambani, and if I give 1 lakh rupees to a poor person, so what do you think? What will happen? What will Ambani do, and what will that poor person do? अंबानी क्या करेगा 1 लाख का, और वो क्या करेगा 1 लाख का, गरीब?
Maybe Ambani will invest that money and be grateful. I don't know. I have read somewhere that
Don't think right and wrong.
okay,
Hmm.
means as per my logical mind he would invest, but
Hmm.
as per the knowledge I have gained from the books, that he might be grateful. The rich person might be
Okay.
grateful.
And what about the poor one?
Poor
4%.
बोला कि और आ जाए, I think
What will poor do?
spend, ma'am.
Yeah, funny.
Poor person may be grateful to us, ma'am.
Okay.
Ambani already have
How
so
many
much.
of you have seen KBC? Have you seen KBC? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? And that is the study. Those people who have, who have made 1 crore rupees, 5 crore rupees, they lost within 1 year.
Right.
Why?
They
Why?
spend.
Because of their mind. They didn't know. They all were like very ordinary people. They don't know how to manage, how to multiply it.
Okay.
बट अंबानी क्या करेगा? उसको 1 लाख रुपए, वो उसको करोड़ों बना देगा, उसको मिलियन बना देगा, उसको बिलियन बनाएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ माइंड सेट. अ पुअर पर्सन डजंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ माइंड सेट. वो जो पुअर था वो पुअर ही रहेगा, बिकॉज ही डजंट नो ना. उसको थोड़ी आता है मल्टीप्लाई करना मनी को. ही डजंट नो हाउ टू मैनेज, हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई, हाउ टू मेक मनी. तो वो तो थोड़े दिन में 1 लाख रुपया तो वो खत्म कर देगा. Right? So that's why rich are becoming richer and they are grateful as well. You are right, Kulvinder. जो अंबानीज है ना, उनके यहाँ पे 6 आवर्स के गैप पे वो पुजारी चेंज होते हैं, और उनके वो होपनोपोनो और ग्रेटिट्यूड की प्रैक्टिसेस ऑलवेज वो चलती रहती हैं ऑलवेज नॉन स्टॉप, पूरे 24 आवर्स के लिए, पूरे 6 घंटे के लिए. I also read somewhere, or somebody told me, I don't know from where I got this, but after every 6 hours they change the pujari जो change करते हैं, and they are doing some gratitude practices, ho'oponopono practices and all. Everything is happening at their end.
Right. Neeta Ambani is really religious, ma'am. I have
Yes.
also heard about.
Yes. Okay, yes. Read out from here.
From the Quran, the promise of gratitude is equally emphatic.
Yes.
And remember, when God proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will give you more. But if you are ungrateful, verily my punishment is indeed severe.
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 If you are not grateful, my punishment is indeed severe. Right? So that is written in Quran. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain it more?
Yeah, so if you are not grateful, so whatever you have, that also will be taken away. Na? So what is that? That is kind of punishment. So whatever you have, okay, so let's say you don't have 500 rupees. Do you have 5 rupees? So can you be grateful for 5 rupees? Okay, so first you will have to be grateful for 5 rupees. So that I was telling to Shrestha as well. So first, whatever we have, so we have to be grateful. We have to start being grateful. When I was living in rented house 2 years ago, I started being grateful. So I started looking at positive things. My landlords are very good. They are not saying anything. We are living in the same house from last 10 years, but they didn't say anything. Okay, so I started being grateful. Slowly, gradually, so magic started happening. So if you don't have 500 rupees, do you have 50 rupees? So first you have to start being grateful for that little thing. If you are not grateful for that 5 rupees, if you are not grateful for that 50 rupees, so my punishment is indeed severe. That means whatever you have, that also will be, that 50 rupees and that 5 rupees also will be taken away. If you are grateful for 5 or 50 rupees, you will be given 50,000, 5 lakh, 5 crore. But if you are not grateful for that 5 or 50 rupees, that also will be taken away. So that is called punishment. Right? Yes.
It doesn't matter what religion you follow or whether you are religious or not. These words from the Holy Scriptures and the Quran apply to you and your life. They are describing a fundamental law of science and of the universe.
Yes, that is a fundamental law. Our whole life is based on laws. The way we follow the traffic rules. So these are the rules. There are some laws. Law of attraction, gravitational law. Okay, so our life is based on laws only. So now we will be in Holy Scriptures, Quran, everything. Like this is the nichod of everything. I told you yesterday as well. Quran, Bible, Gita, and that Guru Granth Sahib. So they also teaching. Teaching is same. Teaching is like we have to be grounded. We have to be grateful. It doesn't matter koi bhi religion ho. And this is for everyone. So that's why I told this magic book is for everyone. It has nothing to do with Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Sai. No. This is for everyone. So the same thing, it is the one thing only it is teaching that we have to be, and that is a fundamental law, basic law that we have to be grateful. And for different areas, how we have to grateful, what are the practices that we have to do, that we will see. Okay, yes.
It's
So
universal
guys, do
law.
we have time? 15, 20 more minutes, because what I have to cover, I have to cover. Otherwise, it will go more than 30, 35 or more than that. Okay, so we have to cover this. Yes, permission granted.
Okay, ma'am.
15, 20
Gratitude.
minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Fine?
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, go ahead. Kulvinder.
Gratitude operates through a universal law that governs your whole life. According to the law of attraction, which governs all the energy in our universe, from the formation of an atom to the movement of the planets, like attracts like. It's because of the law of attraction that the cells of every living creature are held together, as well as the substance of every material object. In your life, the law operates on your thoughts and feelings because they are energy too. And so, whatever you think, whatever you feel, you attract to you.
Yes. So that this is saying, so I'll be telling you in brief that whatever you feel, you attract. Whatever people you have, whatever situations you have, whatever things you have attracted everything. Because here law of attraction is working. Law of attraction says like attracts like. If you are thinking negative, you will attract negative people, negative situations, negative things. But if you are thinking positive, you will attract positive people, positive situations, positive things. The way we all have planet, they all are attracting each other. Okay. Similarly, like each and every object, all thoughts, all feelings, we are attracting. One negative thought will attract more negative thoughts, more negative people, more negative situations, more negative. So it is the khel of, the pura khel is of our thoughts and feelings. Because whatever beliefs you have, it will create the feeling. Your feeling will create your action, and your action will create your result. Okay. Yes.
If you think, I don't like my job, I haven't got enough money, I can't find my perfect partner, I can't pay my bills, I think I am coming down with something, he or she doesn't appreciate me, I don't get along with my parents, my child is a problem, my life is a mess, or my marriage is in trouble, then you must attract more of those experiences.
The same I said, if you're speaking, all these statements are negative. You can read out later as well. I don't like my job. I don't like my husband. I don't like my in-laws. I can't pay my bills. I don't have this. I don't have this. My life is a mess. My child is a problem. Also, who is attracting all this? One after another. Why all these things are happening? Because you people are attracting. This is attracting. What is going on? आप बाहर से तो बहुत अच्छे, मम्मी जी चाय पी लो, मम्मी जी वट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन, सारा दिन टीवी देखती रहती है. सो व्हाट इज क्रिएटिंग, चाय पी लो मम्मी जी, नो 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 नो, सारा दिन टीवी देखती रहती है. दैट इज मेकिंग योर लाइफ, दैट इज क्रिएटिंग योर फ्यूचर. राइट?
Right, ma'am.
यस.
But if you think about what you are grateful for, like, I love my job, my family is very supportive, I had the best vacation, I feel amazing today, I got the biggest tax refund ever, or I had a great weekend camping with my son. And you sincerely feel the gratitude. The law of attraction says you must attract more of those things into your life. It works in the same way as metal being drawn to a magnet. Your gratitude is magnetic, and the more gratitude you have, the more abundance you magnetize. It is universal law.
Yes, this is universal law. Universal law. So this riddle, this law of attraction. See, law of attraction. What is law of attraction? In Hindi, may we call it Akarshan ka niyam. Okay, Akarshan ka niyam. And what is gravitational? Gravitational law. Law of gravitation, that is Gurutvaakarshan ka niyam. That is also Akarshan. Akarshan ka niyam. Okay, so that means like attract like. Negative attracts negativity, positive attracts positivity. So like the magnet. So let's say you have a small magnet. So it will attract the iron. Okay, so आपके पास एक छोटा सा है वो, it will attract the nail. But if you have a big magnet, like वो पूरी ट्रेन को खींच सकता है. Okay, one small magnet can only pull that one small nail, but one big magnet can pull that complete big train. So what kind of magnet you are? Because you are also the magnet. Why are you magnet? Because this mind is magnet. Negativity attracts negativity, positivity attracts positivity. If you are the magnet of negativity, you will attract negativity. If you are the magnet of positivity, you will attract positivity because you are the magnet. Now you have to see, you are a small magnet कि कभी कभी negative or all time negative. But if your mind is all time negative, most of your thoughts are negative, so you will create the hell around you, everything negative one after another, because this is universal law. Like, do we doubt gravitational law? No, we never ever doubt gravitational. It is there, it was there, it is there, it will be there. क्या हमें डाउट होता है हम जंप मारेंगे तो नीचे नहीं आएंगे? नो, दैट इज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज वर्किंग 24/7 365 days at all times. Do we doubt? No, we never ever doubt. Right? Yes. Kulvinder, read out from
You
here.
will have heard saying like, whatever goes around comes around. You reap what you sow, and you get what you give. Well, all of these sayings are describing the same law, and they are also describing a principle of the universe that the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton discovered.
Yes. So see all these statements. Whatever goes around comes around. What you sow, so shall you reap. जो आप बोगे वैसा ही आप काटोगे. Give us gain. You get what you give. जो आप दोगे वही आपको वापस आपके. Who said? Newton said. Newton said, na, what did he say? Newton's scientific discoveries included the fundamental laws of motion in the universe, one of which says, उसका एक रूल क्या है? Every action always has an opposite and equal reaction. जो भी आपके पास से जाएगा, एवरी एक्शन यू डू, जैसे इवन अ स्मॉलर वन, जैसे आपने किसी को सॉरी बोला, आपने किसी को थैंक यू बोला, वो भी आपके पास कई गुना होकर के वैसा आपके पास वापस आने वाला है, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स इज काइंड टू अस. आपने किसी को एक बार थैंक यू बोला, वो आपके पास कई गुना, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स हैज बिन काइंड टू अस, तो आपके पास कई गुना होके वापस आने वाला है. What is the Newton's law? Every action always has an opposite and equal reaction. It has written equal, but that is a universal law. God has been always kind to us. Universe has been always kind to us. जितनी भी आप अच्छी चीजें करोगे वो ऑलवेज आपके पास मल्टीप्लाई ही होके आने वाला है. राइट? सो व्हेन यू अप्लाई द आइडिया ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टू न्यूटन्स लॉ, अभी न्यूटन्स लॉ को ग्रेटिट्यूड से जोड़े. एवरी एक्शन ऑफ गिविंग थैंक्स ऑलवेज कॉजेज एन ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन ऑफ रिसीविंग, and what you receive will always be equal to the amount of gratitude you have given. This means that the very action of gratitude sets off a reaction of receiving. And the more sincerely, the more deeply grateful you feel, in other words, the more gratitude you give, the more you will receive. So feeling is very important. अगर आप, if you have no feeling, if there is no feeling, आपने बहुत सारे भर भर के ग्रेटिट्यूड लिख दिए, पूरी नोटबुक्स भर दी, दिन रात आप ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हो, बट देयर इज नो फीलिंग, आपको वो फीलिंग ही नहीं आ रही है, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स डजेंट अंडरस्टैंड द फीलिंग, द वट एवर यू हैव रिटन, यूनिवर्स डजेंट हैव एनी लैंग्वेज। यूनिवर्स को कोई हिंदी इंग्लिश थोड़ी समझ में आती है। कहते हैं ना, किस्मत तो उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। तो उनकी किस्मत कैसे होती है? उनको तो कोई लिखना बोलना पढ़ना कुछ नहीं आता। दे पीपल कैनॉट राइट, दे पीपल कैनॉट रीड। किस्मत तो अंधों की भी होती है, उनको तो कुछ दिखाई दिखाई नहीं देता। हाउ हाउ डज इट हैपन? हाउ डज यूनिवर्स टॉक टू यू? फीलिंग, whatever you are feeling inside you, that is creating your life, that is creating your future. So what are you feeling? So whatever you are doing, if you are being grateful, so you have to feel it. So whenever I make people write gratitude, so I always say, before each and every sentence, you have to write down. Feel it. Poonam, feel it. Kulvinder, feel it. Funny, feel it. Shrestha, feel it. Why feel it? Because without feeling, universe doesn't understand language. यूनिवर्स को आपकी हिंदी इंग्लिश कोई भाषा नहीं समझ में आती है। यूनिवर्स अंडरस्टैंड्स द लैंग्वेज ऑफ फीलिंग। whatever you feel, you will have the same. Okay guys, so we will be stopping here. So I want you to read it by your own. Okay, so this paragraph, the golden thread of gratitude. So I have already shared the PDF. So this paragraph, the golden thread of gratitude, that you have to read by your own. Okay, so whatever Buddha has said, whatever Muhammad has said, like from different scriptures, Krishna has said, whatever he is offered, he accepts with joy, because happiness should be your first priority. Okay, and after that, one more thing, my discovery also you have to read. So these 2 pages you have to. So this is the story of Rhonda Byrne. How did she start? She was in debt. उसके ऊपर बहुत सारा debt था. Okay, so when she started practicing gratitude, so how did she change her life? How did she take the responsibility of her life? And how did she change her life? She also had a lot of debt. Okay, so that you have to read. Okay, so Akshita was also there. I didn't see Akshita because that time I was sharing the book na. So I couldn't see Akshita and Sucharita also. Okay, so today only 5 people have joined. Where are others? Okay, so how was it for you? Did you guys enjoy? Did you understand the whole thing? The gist of this, that we have to be grateful. Without being grateful, you cannot create magic. You cannot see the magic into your life. So if you really want to create something big in your life, so you will have to be grateful. So whatever you have, start being grateful for small things. जैसे कोई आपको कोई भी रास्ते में कोई दिख गया, कोई किसी ने छोटा सा भी आपके लिए एक पानी का ग्लास भी ला दिया ना, अपने बेटे ने ला दिया, डॉटर ने ला दिया, तो उसको बोलो थैंक यू बेटा, so nice of you. The more what you appreciates in your life. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Let me stop recording.